Hello, second graders. I know that yesterday you learned about different symbols that represent the United States of America. Let's review what some of those symbols were. One of them is the American flag. The American flag is a symbol of unity and freedom. It originally had 13 stripes and stars for the original 13 colonies. It still has 13 stripes, but now has 50 stars for all 50 states. The flag is flown all throughout the country, including schools, libraries, and government buildings. Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore is a monument located in South Dakota. The rock has 4 presidents' faces carved into the rock. The faces are those of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. The monument is a symbol of freedom and growth in our country. Washington Monument. The Washington Monument is a tall tower that honors George Washington, the first president of the United States. He fought for freedom. He also helped write the Constitution, which created the laws of our country. The Bald Eagle and the Great Seal. The bald eagle is a symbol of freedom, strength, and courage. It is the national bird that appears on the Great Seal. Bald eagles can be seen on coins, dollar bills, stamps, and flags. The Liberty Bell. The Liberty Bell is a symbol of freedom. It rang during special events, such as the signing of the Declaration of Independence. It does not ring anymore and is located in Philadelphia. The Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a symbol for freedom, hope, and democracy. It was a gift from France in 1885 as a way of creating peace between the two countries. It is located in New York Harbor and is also a symbol of welcoming people to both New York and to the United States. The White House. The White House is where the president works each day. This building is a symbol for democracy. World leaders have met the president in the White House to make important decisions. The Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial includes a statue of Abraham Lincoln. This monument is a symbol of freedom since Abraham Lincoln wanted everyone to live a free life where they were not owned or controlled by others. It is located in Washington, D.C. The Star-Spangled Banner. The Star-Spangled Banner is the national anthem of the United States. The song is a symbol of freedom. It was written by Francis Scott Key when the United States won in a battle against the British. It is sung during major events, such as sporting events. The Pledge of Allegiance. The Pledge of Allegiance is a symbol of freedom and fairness. Citizens say the Pledge of Allegiance in order to show that they honor their country. When people say the Pledge of Allegiance, they place their right hand over their heart.